Okay, this is the scrap iron problem. And as always, we start with part A, and it's a theoretical mass calculation. So we start off by converting the iron to moles. Okay, now we know the number of moles. We can use the equation to work out that the number of moles of copper will equal to the number of moles of iron, because they react 1 to 1. And therefore, the mass of copper will equal 4.46 times 63.5, which is equal to 283 grams. That's part A. Part B, to calculate the yield, if we divide what we did get divided by what we should have got, that gives you quite a good yield of 95%. We'll go on to part C. A plausible reason why the yield is not close to 100%. When I looked at this, I can think scrap iron may have rusted, leading to the less than 100% iron used.